Welcome to Model Lessons in Mathematics, Elementary Science and Technology, Social Studies, Creative Arts, Physical Education for lower primary grades, produced by Rwanda Education Board in collaboration with the World Bank.
Hello children, hope you're fine. Good. My name once again is Teacher Peter, and as usual I've come and we are going to learn mathematics here in primary 2. Okay? Is it okay? Good. Excellent. Now, do you know what? We are going to review what we learned in capacity. Remember, we said that capacity, when we are measuring, what do we use? We learned that we use, we use liters. Okay? We use liters. And we measured many things. After measuring, we also named some of the things we can measure. And we said, when we measure with liters, we normally measure things which are in liquid form. Liquid form means things which are like water. Okay? Now, look on my table. On my table, I have many things. Are you looking there? Good. See on my table, it has many things. And these are all the things we learned about last week. Can you quickly identify some of the things that we measure using liters? Can you? Yes. Correct. We have wine. Now, when we have wine, we measure wine in liters. And this is wine. And this wine, please, just have to, after this lesson we shall drink, okay? Don't come for it now. Then, we also have another thing. What is this? That is milk. That is milk. And here is milk. We measure milk in liters. Okay? When you are going to buy milk, make sure they measure for you the right amount of milk. They should not cheat you. Good. Another thing. Who can tell me another thing you've seen here on the table? Good. Someone says you've seen soda. Excellent. This is soda. This is soda. I know someone is now getting prepared, wants to drink my soda. But no, wait. We shall drink. But this is soda. This soda, they measure in liters. When you are going to buy, you must make sure you buy the right amount. Okay? That's good. And it's so sweet. Good. Another thing. What have you seen again? We can see water. And this is how they write water. This is how they write what? Water. And do you know what? Water is here. This is water. When you are going to buy water, you must check very well its expiry date. You must know how much water is there before you buy. Okay? That is our water. Then another thing is juice. Can you say juice? This is juice. Can you show me juice? Here is juice. Do you love mango juice? Good. Wonderful. This is juice. We also measure juice in liters. We measure juice in liters. Another thing. What is remaining here? Wow. There is petrol. This is petrol. This is the one the cars use. When you buy a car, or when your father buys a car, he has to go to the petrol station, and they pour their petrol, and the car moves. So this is petrol. When they are measuring petrol, they measure in liters. So that is petrol. These are some of the things, but there is something remaining. What else? There is this one here, and this is motor engine oil. This is motor engine oil. Whenever you are going to buy, okay, if you have your car, you have a machine, anything which uses an engine, please, you must check down and make sure you've bought the right quantity of oil. Is it clear? That is very good. Now, do you know what? Today, we want to look at how to multiply units of capacity. So we are going to look at multiplication. Are you there? Are you ready? Can you give me flowers? Good. Wonderful. I see you are so good and so sweet. Wonderful. You are good children. Now, this morning, let's first quickly go and we look at tables. Here is a multiplication table. I want us to go through this multiplication table quickly. Then we look at how to multiply units of capacity. Now, this is our multiplication table. And here we have the multiplication sign in red. So how do we read this table? We shall say 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. Come here. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. And 3 times 4 equals 12. Let's go to table 4. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 3 equals 12. And 4 times 4 equals 16. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 3 equals 15. And 5 times 4 equals 20. Is it okay? Can you say it again? Good. You will repeat. I'm going to put this chart somewhere. We shall come back and we shall recite, okay? And even when you go home, you make sure you recite tables and put them in your head. Good. Now, let's look at some examples now. Some examples. Our examples are here. Examples. Number 1. They are telling us that 34 liters times 2 equals dash liters. So they want us to multiply. Okay? Number 2, they are telling us 96 liters times 3 equals dash liters. The last number is number 3. We shall say 154 liters times 4 equals dash liters. Okay? Now, remember to use a ruler. This one for underlining. Remember to write well. And remember to show the working. Let's begin from number 1. Number 1 says 34 liters times 2 equals dash liters. So we shall say 34. You get 34 only. Put your multiplication sign times 2. Get your ruler and put the lines. Okay? Now, we are going to show the working. So here we shall say ones and tens. Okay? So we shall say 2 times 4 equals 8. Are you there? Wonderful. Come and put 8 here. Go to the tens now. 2 times 3. We shall say 2 times 3 equals 6. Put your 6 there. Then let's now go and fill in our answer. We shall have here 68 liters. Can you say 68 liters? Good. You are so good. I like the way you pay attention and the way you are observing and following. Wonderful. Let's go to number 2. 96 liters times 3 equals dash. How many liters are those? What shall we do? Arrange our numbers vertically, show the place values, and multiply. Okay? Good. So, we shall say 96 times 3. Pick your ruler, please. I don't want dirty work, so your work must be neat. Put a ruler, put a line, then put a line. Your work will be neat. Show the place values ones and the tens. Should we begin from tens? No. We begin from ones? Yes. So we shall say 3 times 6 equals 18. But do you know the problem now? Yes. Okay, the problem now is here. Remember here we had one number or one digit and we put inside. Now here we have 2. Teacher, what are we going to do? It is very simple. We shall come here and put 18 down. This is ones and tens. You cancel 8 and put under tens. Too simple. What about the other one? Remove 1 from here, bring it up here on tens. Okay? So we shall say 3 times 9. 3 times 9. What do we get? Yes. Yeah, we get 27. We get 27. But remember, there is one somewhere we kept, and it is here. So we shall say plus that one, it will give us 28. So you will come and say 8, and you put here 2. What is our answer now? Our answer is 288. Can you repeat? 288. Good. Come and put here 288 liters. So from this 96 times 3, we shall get 288 liters. I don't know, liters of milk, it can be liters of petrol, it can be liters of anything. Those things we have looked at. Good. Number 3, we have 154 liters times 4 equals dash. Ha. What are we going to do? Yes, good. You arrange vertically. Yeah, so we shall say 154 times 4. Get your ruler, don't forget. You put here a line. Don't just use your fingers and you put any line anyhow. I will not be happy with you, okay? Now, for me to be happy, you must underline it very well. Name the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. 4 times 4, that is 16. 16, put it down here. What shall we do? We shall cancel this 6, bring it here because it is under ones. And what next? We shall keep these 2, we take it to tens. This one, we take it to tens. Bring it here on top of tens. Then we shall say 4 times 5 equals 20. Remember, there is something we kept. What do we keep? We kept 1 tens. It is here. So 20, we shall say plus that 1. It will be 21. Do you know what? Again, we have 2 numbers. So we shall say 21 is there. Again, remove that one and bring it here. We have 2 tens now. What are we going to do? Again, we shall keep it and bring it here on top of this one. And we shall say 4 times 1 equals 4. Plus 2. Plus 2 equals, can we count very fast? We shall get 6. What is our answer here? It will be 616. 616. So we shall bring 616 liters. So if I get 154 liters times 4, I will get 616 liters. Are we together? Are you tired? Okay. Stand up a bit. Stand up a bit. Stand up a bit. Are you standing? Good. Is everybody standing? Good. That's very good. I want you to touch on your waist. We are going to shake a bit, okay? Shake until you become fresh. And we are going to count up to 10, okay? We are beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Now, we are going to say a rhyme. Okay? And a rhyme is about elephant. Okay? Now, this is the rhyme. Let's go. Elephant, elephant, go in the bus. No. Why? Because I'm too big and the bus is too small. Shake body, shake body, shake body, shake. Again. Elephant, go in the bus. No. Why? Because I'm too big and the bus is too small. Shake body, shake body, shake body. Are you okay now? Good. Can you give flowers, everyone? Flowers. Good. You are so good. Wonderful. Now, do you know what? I'm giving you some work to discuss in pairs. We are going to discuss, okay? Get your book behind your book and discuss for me these numbers, okay? Are you ready? 1. So, number 1 is here. Discuss for me this work. So this is our work for groups. This is group work in pairs. In pairs, number 1, we are going to multiply, okay? We are going to multiply 64 liters times 3 equals dash liters. Are you there? Good. Number 2 says 89 liters times 3 equals dash liters. Then the last number here will be 250 liters times 4 equals dash liters. Quickly, can you hurry up? Yes. Are you doing the work? Good. I like the way you are cooperative. Yes, that's good. And when you are borrowing, please don't just grab someone's ruler, don't grab someone's pencil, okay? You ask peacefully and say, please, may I get your pen? May I use your pencil? Okay? Don't just grab. Oh, no, it will be wrong. Yes? Are you finishing? Wonderful. When you finish, we are going to mark ourselves. And you know what? You are going to exchange. Can you exchange? Okay, that's good. Let's exchange now. And we go through. Now, number 1 says 64 liters times 3. This is 64 liters times 3. Your ruler. Did you do that? Excellent. Show the working. Ones and tens. Here, 3 times 4 equals 12. That 12, where do you put it? Bring it down here. It should not confuse you. Remove these 2. Bring it here. And the remaining 1 tens, remove it from here. Keep it. Okay? 3 times 6 equals 18. Remember, we have 1 tens here. Plus 1 tens equals 19. Do you have this? The answer will be 192. So you mark 192. Good. Finished? Wonderful. Next one, we have 89 times 3. We shall underline. Name the place values. Quickly, come and say 3 times 9 equals what? Yes? 27. Good. So we have 27. Put 27 down here. Cancel 7. And we keep 2 tens. Bring 2 tens here. 3 times 8 equals, quickly, tell me the answer. Yes? That is 3 times 8. What is the answer? Good. It is 24. So this is 24. Remember, we kept 2 tens plus 2 tens equals 26. We shall come and say our answer will be 267. So we have 267. We have the last number. Have you marked this one? Then you are the best. Quickly, number 5. We shall say 250 times 4. 250 times 4. Name the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. Quickly show your working. 4 times 0 equals what? Equals a 0. So put here a 0. Put here a 0. Go to the place values of tens and say 4 times 5 equals 20. Yes. Did we keep? No. So we shall not add. But remember, we have 2 numbers. We said when we have 2 numbers or 2 digits, we don't put it in the same place value. We shall bring it here and we say 20. What shall we cancel? We shall cancel 0 and we keep 2. You keep these 2 and bring it here. Are we together? Good. Now, we shall say 4 times 2. 4 times 2. What do we get? We shall get 8. But there is something left, something somewhere. Okay? There is 2 here. So we shall say plus 2. It will give us 10. So come here and put 10. So it means we shall get 1,000 liters. When we get 200 liters, times 4, we shall get 1,000 liters. So here it will be 1,000 liters, okay? It can be liters of oil, liters of petrol for cars, liters of milk, liters of water. It can be liters of anything. Quickly, do for me this exercise. Do for me this exercise. Do for me this exercise. It is a simple exercise. And number 1 says, number 1 is very simple. Do you know what? 10 liters times 4 liters. Number 2 says 56 liters times 5 equals dash liters. And don't forget to put a straight line, a straight line. Put here liters, liters. Number 3, 186 liters times 2 equals dash liters. Number 4, there are only 4 numbers. There are not many, okay? We have 240 liters times 4 equals dash liters. Good. I see you're very serious. People are showing the working. And don't forget, when you are underlining, to underline with a ruler. Okay? If you make a mistake, don't scribble in the book. Get your rubber and you rub. Okay? That is good. Are you doing the work? I love that. Number 1, arrange your numbers and multiply. Okay? Good. Let's look at our homework now. The homework here will be 200 liters times 2. When you reach home, you do this work very well. Put your ruler here and put here liters. Number 2, 340 liters times 3. Put here liters, here dash liters. And number 3, 140 liters times 2 equals dash liters. Those are our numbers. So those are the numbers we are taking home. Can you copy those few numbers? Those are the numbers we are going to take home, okay? When you reach home, please make sure you do that work very well. Make sure you don't forget the multiplication table, okay? And don't scribble the work. Make sure that you multiply very well, okay? And it is too simple. I will be very happy when you bring for me neat work. And you will be so good. Tomorrow we shall sing, we shall dance, we shall play when your work is sweet. So I like that. Make sure you do your work properly. Are you there? Good. So we are about to finish. I see the last person is almost finishing. That is good. Now we are done. God bless you. Bye-bye.